We can't find tickets from the north that are affordable and accessible for everyone. So this experience gave us not only a way to return home, but also new friendships. I met so many people from Milan and elsewhere who were by my side. And together we created a wonderful bond that will definitely carry forward.
We all want to reunite with our families, see our parents and relatives during the holidays. And that's how it should be. It's right that there are initiatives like this that bring these young people home for a short time, while also being useful for their future.